and on behalf of all of us at the National Glass Association, thank you for making time in your day to join us for this NGA Now and Next webinar.
Force majeure is a creature of contract. It's not a common law doctrine. You've got to read the full contract. Do you actually have a force majeure provision in your contract? Don't assume that you do. I have seen plenty of contracts that don't have force majeure provisions in it. It's very, very important at this stage, both historically for the jobs you have underway and looking forward as we figure out what the brave new world we're going to operate in looks like for contracts. And now they're spending, an hour and a half going through a check-in to get on the job to start the morning and the check-in to start the job after lunch. That's eating up time. That's an impact. That's an inefficiency impact. Inefficiencies are different than delay. It has different requirements to prove, and inefficiencies may not be subject to no damages for delay clauses in your given jurisdiction. It's another creative tool to think of if I'm trying to get cost back for a job that's now not performing well because of COVID-19. Other issues that are coming up that we're seeing are, delayed start, and then trade stacking issues on the project, that if you can't move forward when you anticipated, the owner still wants the job completed at a set certain, how are we going to manage when now we can't social distance because we've got 3 and 4 trades on top of ourselves. You're trying to put glazing up on the outside of the building, the masons out there trying to work, the EFIS installers out there trying to work, the miscellaneous metal guys out there trying to work, and now we're trying to all be in the same space. Creates a contractual set of impacts potentially to deal with, and you've got to look at your contract to see what those terms are. The other thing we're talking with contractors a lot about is, what does safety protocols look like on a go-forward basis? What's our cost of operations going to be? Do we need to make provisions for training? Do we need to make provisions for PPE enhancements to our crews?